In this video, I'm going to show you how this one platform has paid me over $11,000, and I'm going to walk you through how to copy my done for you sales funnel, and you can do this within the next 10 to 15 minutes. So stay tuned, stay to the very end of this video because you're not going to want to miss how easy it is to copy this sales funnel and the potential that you could make getting 200 free leads every single day. So what you're looking at right now is the page that you're on watching this same video. Now below this video, you're going to see a few steps. Step number one is to grab your 200 free leads per day. So let me show you what exactly that means. We go over to My Lead Gen Secret. We go to My Leads. You can see that I've been getting 200 free leads for years. Okay. I have over 106,000 members in my Lead Gen Secret account, and this could be you. All you have to do is click the link below this video and get started today. Now, if you want to get referrals so that you can make commissions like you've seen at the start of this video, this is where this system is going to come into play. It's very simple, and I'm going to walk you through how to set it up right now. Okay. So step number one, what you're going to want to do is obviously create your free My Lead Gen Secret account. So you're going to go through here, click on use my secret now, create your account, get set up. And then once you're in the back office, all you need to do is go over and park yourself under the affiliate tab so that you can grab your affiliate link. Okay. I would recommend putting this onto a clipboard so that you have it for later when we're going through and setting up the sales funnel. All right. Now, once you've done that, the next step is to download Systemi, which is going to allow you to copy the sales funnel and all of my emails so that you can use this exact system to start getting referrals, commissions, and new leads every single day. So what you're going to want to do is click on Set Up Systemi. You're going to click this button. It's going to bring you over to Systemi, 100% free to set up, and you can build this entire sales funnel for absolutely free. Okay. So once you've set up your Systemi account, you'll be logged into your main back office. All right. So you're not going to have any leads. You're not going to have any sales. Everything's going to be fresh. Okay. Once you're here, what I want you to do is go back over to our sales page, the video where you're watching right now, and click on these two buttons. So the first one is going to download the sales funnel. So if you click right here, it's going to download the My Lead Gen Secret sales funnel. So you're going to get my landing page absolutely free. You're going to get my money page absolutely free, which is the page that you're watching right now. You're also going to get a 7-day done for you email follow-up, which all you have to do is change out a few links and you can use those emails to start getting more sales as people are entering their email. They might not go through and watch this video right away. They might need to get refreshed and brought back to the page so that they finish watching and they finish setting up their system. Okay. So click right here to download the email follow-up. And now just to double check, let's make sure we have everything in here. You should have a funnel called My Lead Gen Secret, and you should have under emails, if you go to campaigns, you should have a campaign called My Lead Gen Secret as well. Okay. So once we've confirmed that you have your sales funnel and your emails ready to go, what we need to do is we need to first create a tag. So we're going to go under contacts and tags, and you're going to want to create a tag called My Lead Gen Secret sub. Okay. This is going to be for when somebody signs up to the email list, they're going to get tagged so that you know where they came from. This is for future later when you're building more sales funnels and you want to find out, okay, this person signed up here, they purchased here, right? You can figure all that stuff out by using tags. So tags are very crucial. So once you've created that tag, we're going to go back over to sales funnels and we're going to go under our My Lead Gen Secret funnel. Okay. So now you have your email, you have your tag. Now let's set up our squeeze page. So we'll click on edit under squeeze page. We're going to click on edit page. Now, in order to set up the emails for this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the button right here where it says set up your system, and you're going to want to add in a couple automations. So if you don't have any automations already, that's fine. We'll just save this. We'll start from scratch. We'll go to add automation rule. We're going to add action and we're going to add a tag. So now if you haven't created your tag already, it's not going to show up here. So you're going to want to go back, go to contacts and set up your tag. If you've done that already, you're going to go to My Lead Gen Secret sub, and we're going to add another action, which is going to subscribe them to our campaign. So we're going to click on subscribe to campaign, and we're going to click on our My Lead Gen Secret campaign. Now, once that's done, your emails are now linked up to your landing page. So when somebody enters in their email, they're going to get tagged and they're going to get added to your 7-day email follow-up, which will follow up with them, sending them back to your sales page and increasing the amount of people that actually sign up. So now there is an affiliate link that you want to change out on this page as well. So you're going to want to go to your Systemi account, and you're going to go under dashboard and affiliate dashboard. You're going to scroll down and you're going to grab this link right here. You're going to copy that link and you're going to go back over to the editor. And at the bottom of this page, you're going to see where it says start now. You're just going to paste in your affiliate link right here. And that's going to be for anybody that doesn't want to enter their email. They maybe just want to sign up to Systemi, and they can do that there and you'll make a commission. Okay. You're also going to want to change out the built with Systemi at the bottom. I like to leave this here because that way, if somebody's looking for a cool sales funnel provider and they don't really want to set up your system, they just want to set up their own, they can still join and they can still become a member, and you can still make a commission right from these buttons. Okay. So you want to click where it says Systemi, and you're going to change out this affiliate link as well. All right. So once you've done that, you've changed out your emails, you've added your tags, you've subscribed to the campaign, and you've gone through, set up your button and changed out your affiliate links. You can click on save and we can leave this page now. So now your landing page is done. Your landing page is set up and ready to go. The next step is setting up your money page. Okay. Now, before we do this, what you want to do is you want to grab your affiliate link, right? So you want to have your affiliate link for Systemi, and you want to have your affiliate link for My Lead Gen Secret. Those are going to be the two links that you need to set up your money page. So let's click on money page right here. We're going to go under edit page, and we're going to scroll down where it says claim your 200 free leads. We're going to go over to My Lead Gen Secret, grab our affiliate link, and we're going to paste that into this button right here. As you see, I have my own custom domain for tracking, but this is My Lead Gen Secret affiliate link. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change out under where it says download the system. So for our setup Systemi, you're going to want to grab your Systemi affiliate link. So we'll grab that right there. We'll go back over to the editor and we'll change in this URL for our Systemi affiliate link. Now for the sales funnel and the email follow-up, this is a little bit different. We're going to have to go back over to our dashboard. Okay. For the funnel link, you're going to go under funnels, and then where it says My Lead Gen Secret, you're going to go over to the three dots. You're going to click on share, and you're going to copy that to your clipboard. You're going to go back over to the editor, click on the sales page button, and then you're going to change out this affiliate link for your share funnel link. Okay. Now the email follow-up, same process. We're going to go back over to our Systemi dashboard. We're going to go under emails and campaigns, and we're going to grab our My Lead Gen Secret campaign, over to the three dots, share the funnel, copy that link, and then we're going to go back over to the editor. We're going to click the button right here and change out this affiliate link again. Now, once you've done that, everything should be in working order. We can click here, save those changes. And again, at the bottom, there is another created with Systemi a link. So we can actually go through, grab our affiliate link again, and paste that down at the bottom as well. So we'll click the Systemi, change out that link, and click save. So now your system is completely set up. The only thing that we need to do is link our sales page to our email sequence so that when people go through and they open your emails, they're going to your sales page and not my sales page, as I just smoked the microphone. Okay, so what we want to do here is we're going to grab our URL path for our money page. We're going to click copy this link. We're going to go over to emails. Okay, so let's open up a new tab under campaigns. We're going to go to our My Lead Gen Secret campaign, And we just want to go in to the email, click the body, and it's going to open up the edit page. Now in the edit page, you're going to want to click on all the images, and you're going to want to change out those links right here. And you're going to do this for every page. Okay. So we're just going to save that. Now you have the 3 links and the button. You can also change out your name as well. So that will help grow your presence and get people to know, like, and trust you so that they sign up through you and they purchase your products later on. Okay. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and do that for every email. So we're going to click on exit and email 2. Okay, now that you've got all of your emails changed out and your links are all set up, the only thing left to do is to go over to funnels and just test out your funnel. So we're going to click on the squeeze page. We're going to go to view funnel step. We're going to enter in our email. It's going to bring us over to our sales page, and then just double check, make sure your affiliate ID is correct. Okay. And for your Systemi, make sure your affiliate ID is correct as well. And then you can test download the funnels. I'm not going to do so because you can just delete them later, but check it out. Make sure that everything's working properly. You don't want to launch people to your funnel when it's not working properly. So make sure you go check it out and make sure everything's set up. If it's not, rewatch this video once, twice. You know, I know we go through everything quickly, but it to help you guys get better so that you can set these systems up quickly and they don't take forever. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys have great success with this. Make sure, head over to the 6-Figure Marketers Club over on YouTube. Leave us a subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Every time I launch one of these new funnels, I'm going to be posting a free video on how to copy it. So if you guys want to stay up to date with all the new funnels that I'm bringing out, every time I'm promoting a product, every time I'm launching a new copy system, you can do that through my YouTube channel, as well as any other tips or tricks that I come up with or that I find that I think is of value to you guys. I'll be posting them there as well. So all of these systems are free to copy for anybody. All you got to do is stumble across my YouTube, go set it up, and you could be making some money as well. All right. So thank you for stopping by. My name is Dylan DeFazio with the 6-Figure Marketers Club, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.